Okay, they're on their way. This is the Mayor's Mile, the city of Onkaparinga, and the leader will be Alvaro here. Vanessa, the red 1, 4 and 10 if you haven't got them yet. They're the 4 scratchings. So it's Alvaro leading the way here. Lee Howson running in second position. Salvador Gerardo's balanced up in third. Behind those in, we've got McGregor. Brown's behind that place getter at the moment. Well back in the field to Hennig. Thorley Mills, well back in the field in the pink singlet there. We've got Robert Koenig. Well back then past him in the black, we've got Jordan Harvey. A gap of 20 metres back in the field to Corey Watkins, who's back with Brad Kiddo, Tim Earl and Luke Bureau is last of all. Metres back in the pack then to Shane McGregor. He's running fourth. Then a gap of 15 metres away to the 2 racing together. Hennig and Thorley Mills are doing it together. Brown racing by himself, and now Jordan Harvey starting to get serious. He starts to loom into it. Then came behind those Watkins. Tim Earl is back with him. Second last is Bradley Kiddo, and back towards the rear is Bureau, and in fact dropping out last is Robert Koenig. I'll have a lap to go. Back in third, McGregor. Now here's a move. Thorley Mills has gone to fourth. He starts to work into it. They dropped off Hennig and Gerardo. A gap in the field, running about 6th position, is Kiddo. Earl and Watkins going with him. Then came Bureau, and then came Harvey. A gap to Brown, and last of all is Koenig. There's a lap to go in the city of Onkaparinga Mayor's Mile. We've got a new leader. Lee Howson took over and dashed away. In second now, going up on the outside, Thorley Mills. Behind those in, we've got Alvaro. Hennig starting to work home from McGregor. Gerardo, a gap of 15 metres away to Kiddo. Watkins trying to work into it. Then came behind them Bureau, and Earls dropped out of it down the back. Howson's about to be tackled by Thorley Mills, who ran to the lead down the back. Thorley Mills dashed away. In second position was Howson. Hennig ran to third. Gerardo's in fourth. They got away from McGregor. Running on was Watkins from the back, but he's probably left his run a bit too late. Off the back, they race to the side, and Thorley Mills, he's looking very good. He's about to straighten up, 25 metres clear. Hennig's out of the pack and running on. Still there was Howson, and Gerardo's trying to lift. Thorley Mills clear. Hennig's trying hard in second position, but Thorley Mills, he made his move a lap out, and it's a winning one. Thorley Mills first, Hennig second, third, Howson just. From Gerardo, Watkins fifth, Kiddo has run 6th from McGregor. Next in was Bureau, Tim Earl and Jordan Harvey, Vanessa Alvaro and